Welcome to CyberPross nmap tutorial, Common Port Scans. The command is sudo nmap-s_scan_a.nmap.org. This performs a TCP/SYN scan, also known as a half-open scan. It's a fast and relatively stealthy way to discover open TCP ports without completing the full three-way handshake. The command is sudo nmap-t_scan_a.nmap.org. This runs a TCP connect scan, which completes the full TCP connection. It is more reliable than a SYN scan but is also slower and more easily detected by firewalls. The command is sudo nmap-s_scan_a.nmap.org. This command initiates a UDP scan to find open UDP ports. UDP scanning is much slower than TCP scanning because the protocol is connectionless, making responses less reliable. The command is sudo nmap-f_scan_a.nmap.org. This performs a fast scan, which limits the scan to the 100 most common ports. It's useful for quickly checking for common services without waiting for a full 1000 port scan. The command is sudo nmap-s_v-p22,80,443 scan.nmap.org. This scan attempts to determine the version of the services running on specified ports 22, 80, 443. Version detection is crucial for identifying specific software and potential vulnerabilities. If this helped you, please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.